good book in the left hand, rolling pin in the right. Said you come on for the last time, whiskey on your breath. Gonna listen to my preaching, gonna get your half to death. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through. No, I drive you crazy, baby. Best that I can do. And the good old boy making noise and running around on you. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through. First she hit my glass, she knows that I can't see. Said they ain't going nowhere, boy. Spend a little time with me. Well, my friends call on my honky tonk. There's a party going on around here. She made my car key. She forgot about my old John Deere. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through. No, I drive you crazy, best that I can do. Good old boy making noise and running around on you. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through. Oh, boy. Heard she hit my glass, know that I can't see. Said you ain't going nowhere, boy. Spend a little time with me. Till my friends call from the store. There's a party going on down here. They may have hit my car key. She forgot another road down here. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through. No, I drive you crazy, man. Best that I can do. Just a good old boy making noise, ain't running around on you. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through.
The end. But it's just the beginning of the show this week. We had a little technical difficulties. I can't even say the word. This is the second week in a row, and this week we'll nail it. We will get on the phone and find out what's going on. Anyway, with all that said, we're going to record the show, so you won't actually see this till about 9 o'clock tonight. Time we're done, around there. So we're here with Bob Smith-Turriota. Go ahead.
That's about the time I get home.
Yeah, me too. So put it on and see what's happening.
It'll be perfect.
You know, last week we did it, and we still got a whole bunch of hits. Even though it was like, it didn't come on till 9 o'clock last week.
I don't even know how that happens. How does
Well, it was on for about 5 minutes, and Deanna had done one song, I think, and it was up, and that got a whole bunch of hits, not as many as a full-hour show, but I mean, like, yeah, people will watch, and then later it picked up, and so they're still watching this thing. I don't know how. Hey, our guest artist is Gary Swan, one of the original second edition of the Wild Country Band. He was in the original second go-round, and And we miss you. When, are you ever going to come back and just play for a while with us like you did
Oh.
before?
As soon as the money gets lower.
Yeah. Well, I'm working on that, believe me. Anyway,
At least
so
it's a long drive.
That's nice.
but yeah, yeah.
It's nice of you to not want to be overpaid.
Yeah,
I
that's
appreciate that.
that's very good. So but you've been working quite a bit, haven't you?
I work all the time.
Good for you. God bless
All
you.
the time.
Man, wish I could say that. I work a little here and there. You know. How about you, Paul?
I'm a hardworking guy.
You're busy.
I stay busy.
I know that
People
studio
keep
thing
calling.
you've been doing.
I'm a lucky guy.
Good for you. And Palmer?
Oh no, we just auditioned for the country band thing and we lost. So,
Who? It wasn't this band, I hope.
No, I went out and saw Justin though, our good friend Justin.
Oh yeah, 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 yeah.
And so he had a battle of the country bands.
Oh, I didn't hear about
We,
that.
well, no, because you probably would have won, but
Well,
you know.
sound like you went.
So we had to go out there with our country band and we didn't win.
Sound like you went to a gunfight with.
I
a knife.
told.
Yeah.
Yeah. I told Justin should have called me.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, I don't know what happened
Might
there.
all been different. Nah, I'm sure you guys did fine. Okay, so we're coming to you from Bob Smateriota and Gary do another one, and then we'll let Paul go back and forth, and we'll just continue on. What do you got?
In the key of G. Well, here's one for the money, two for the show. Get ready now, go, cat, go, but don't you step on my blues with you. You can do anything, lay off my blues with you. You can knock me down, spit in my face, spelling my name all over the place. Do anything you wanna do, honey, lay off and if you don't step on my blues with you. You can do anything, my blues with you. Oh, look out now. Oh, rock on. Blue, blue suede shoes. Blue, blue suede shoes. Blue, blue suede shoes. Blue suede shoes. Hey, you know that thing all of my blue suede shoes. William Tom for the money, two for the show. Need to get rid of my pocket, oh, don't you step on my blues with you. You can do anything, all my blues with you. Oh, you know, blue suede shoes. Blue suede shoes. Oh, mama, you know the blue ones. You can do anything off of my blue suede shoes.
The show can start now. Cody Bryan showed up. The guy at the door wouldn't let him in. I love it.
That happens every time he shows up.
Anyway, there's that Gretsch you wanted there, Cody.
Thank you.
Cody called me and said, "Hey, can I play the Gretchen?" I said, "You can play whatever you want." Absolutely. So we're coming to you from Bob Smith Toyota, and we're having nothing but fun. And we are recording the show tonight, Cody, because the internet's still acting up. So this week we'll call Spectrum and find out what's going on there.
What happened to the strap on the Gretchen?
It's on my other guitar,
Okay.
and the other guitar's in the trunk of my Cadillac, and because I drive a Cadillac. Anyway.
In the trunk
So-
of my
So you're gonna have to. You want to sit down and play? I don't care. Anyway, Paul,
Carmine.
what do you got?
Oh, man.
Hey, Paul, didn't you
know,
leave your strap in
Cody
the
gave me this.
rolls?
Cody gave me this real pretty white strap when that's that Gretsch I wanted. Cody gave it to me as a gift. And when I worked down at Knott's this week, I took it off the Gretsch and put it on my other guitar, which I played my Swampcaster by Bill Lawrence made this beautiful guitar. And I played that, and I didn't have a strap, so it's on that guitar. So now poor Cody got screwed. Sorry about it, buddy.
Cody is going strapless.
Hey,
Thank God I went to the tanning salon before I got here.
Cody, you want the stool?
You got a stool? Yeah.
What's that called?
Big, strong John Palmer just bring that thing over here.
Oh, there it is. John was hiding. Give me that stool. We're gonna get Cody a stool. We're gonna keep this thing going. Kim, is everything all right? Yes. Okay, we're recording the thing right now. Good. It's gonna be fun. Hey, is that Kathy's chair? Make sure Kathy's sitting in it. We don't want anybody else sitting in Kathy's chair.
Where's, Cody's mic?
Paul, what do you got?
You know, Carmen, from where I sit, the end is not in sight.
I love that sound. Okay. Okay.
Key of E. 4141. E. It's coming in on the A. 1, 2, 3. Guess I knew it all along. I'd have to come back home. 'Cause this living on the road only makes me tired and sore. Like a bird without a nest, like a stranger in the night. My soul cries out for rest, but the end is not in sight. Like sweet magnolia wine, honey dripping from her mouth, and that sweet little gal of mine, she's the finest in the South. Now the days are getting longer, the nights are getting colder. I wanna go back home, lay my head upon her shoulder. All right.
Nailed it. We did. Russell, what's his name?
Russell Smith.
Who's he?
He's the guy who wrote that song. He was the lead singer for the amazing Rhythm Aces.
Great group and good stuff.
Yeah,
That's right.
that's good
So
stuff.
what is there to talk about? God, you know, we did so much computer stuff before the show. I forgot about everything I was gonna. You know, I had this whole big thing planned. You know. All right, Gary Swan. Let's keep the music going. If I can't think of anything to talk about, let's just play
I got
songs for the
something
people.
to talk about. These crummy sustain pedals. Now, this is like the third keyboard that the sustain pedal won't work.
Oh, well, that is a drag.
Well, you know, I don't use pedals myself, so I don't have to worry about that. But anyway,
Well, that sucks. And on behalf of all of the pedal makers, drop dead. Here's a tune by what's his name?
the good guy.
You know, it's
That guy's my guy.
yeah,
Right guy did
NG.
the song. I love that guy. I love that guy.
G. There's a closet full of dresses that I bought you. Here's the keys to the new car in the drive. And before you leave our room, put on your best perfume. If you're gonna do me wrong, do it right. And the next time the phone rings, I won't answer it. I don't wanna be the fool I was tonight. I don't wanna know the truth. I don't want to see the proof. If you're gonna do me wrong, do it right. You're gonna break my heart all to pieces and walk right out that door. Leave me alone. Take off the wedding band when it takes you by the hand. If you're gonna do me wrong, do it right. Come on, go. Take off wedding band when it takes you by the hand. Gonna do you wrong, do it right. Gonna do me wrong, do it right.
Vern Gosdin?
Beautiful.
Hey, Vern Gosdin did that song?
Yeah. No, I just did it.
No, I know you did, but have you heard Vern do it?
So the pedal worked opposite. this
Vern's
time.
great. What a great singer. It really does. Anyway, we're here at Bob's Toyota. We are filming the show today because of the internet went crazy on us, but we're still going to have a show. This show goes on. I don't care what happens.
You know, if you're watching it now, then it's live.
That's right.
If you see us,
If you can hear us, we're there. Anyway,
We're in your living room, or
Cody's probably not going to sing tonight.
why not?
I don't know. He
I thought
gets
it was in his contract.
he gets moody. Have you noticed that?
Ow.
Well, you're a real artist. Artists get kind of funny, not in the mood
Raise the
sometimes.
ante on me.
Well, yeah.
Wow.
I'm just kidding. This guy's great. I'm gonna Paul, do another one, and then maybe I'll sing one, and then we'll put Gary back up. We're just kind of hanging out tonight, jamming. Who are these two people? I know you guys.
Michael and Marilyn.
Do you have identification?
Michael. Oh, I know him now.
Agent Jones.
Michael,
and-
nice to know you, sir. Marilyn.
We've seen you a few times, but not here.
Oh, okay. Probably at Viva or somewhere else around town. Well, I'm glad you came up. Nice to see you guys. Okay.
They couldn't get through security either at the door
Yeah.
when I came in.
Tough. Okay.
key of E. 39 and Holden. This is a Jerry Lee
Great
Lewis
song.
song, and any Jerry Lee Lewis inspired licks that you have there, Gary Swan, you
Well, I
just throw them in wherever you feel inspired.
Somehow I feel that buying the student model equipment just wasn't the right way to go.
1451 in the key of E. I'm sorry, did I say whatever I said? Don't pay any attention to that. 4151. Then 2, 1, 2. Yeah, he's out there somewhere every night where the music's playing loud, doing all of those 50 steps in a 1980s crowd. The dim lights hide the mileage lines, the Clairol hides the grave, and he won't mention anything that gives his age away. He's 39 and holding everything he can. he'll never see 39 again. He should have cut loose long ago, still he's hanging in. He still thinks he's the man that he used to be. He's 39 and holding and acting 23. Yeah, he's 39 and holding anything he can. From 17 to 25 to prove he's still a man. He's holding to a candle, it's burning at both ends. He's 39 and holding anything he can. Yeah, he's 39 and holding anything he can.
I love it when it's in tune. Everybody was kind of like in tune, and it just sounds so nice.
It's nice.
When it happens, it's good.
I'm gonna do it upbeat. Key of D. And broken hearted me, holding to a memory. If I had you, I would not be blue and broken hearted me. Take it, Connie. I never felt so down and out, and I never felt so all without. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, it's blue and broken hearted me. Take it, Gary. I can't control the way I feel, and every tear I cry is real. And since you've been gone, no matter what I try to do, it's blue and broken hearted me. How blue and broken hearted me. Back man, boys. There you go. Holding to a memory. Since you've been gone, not me. No matter what I try to be, I thought I was for a minute. Blue and broken hearted me. that fast before. I gotta remember that, do it up tempo a little bit. We're coming to you from Bob Smith Toyota. We got about 25 minutes left. And I hope you all hang with us through the tough times, because that's what family's all about. Don't go running off on us now. Stick with us through the, the waves and the, you know what you do in a rough sea? You go over the first one and through the next one. That's what you gotta do. Stay steady. All right, guest artists, hit me.
Okay. You know, I played this place last night, and the band was so bad
Yeah.
that a waitress dropped her tray and everybody got up and danced.
Yeah. I like that. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, there was a line waiting to get out. Yeah, remember that? I played those clubs before.
That was one of the better gigs this week. The better ones.
Yeah.
Bob Smith Toyota, come by a car. Get off the couch and come by a car.
Did you hear what Cody said? The band was so bad that once I got them in there, they would charge you to leave.
They charged to leave. I burst out laughing.
That's a good one.
They're gonna recoup their
Get
dough,
in
whatever
for
it
free,
takes.
$20 to get out.
$20 to get in,
Wow.
20 to get out.
Suffer.
Okay.
That's great.
I think that happened in my band. Okay, here's a tune by, what's his name?
Good guy.
And it's called Old Lonesome Me. Little song I wrote about being lonesome.
Don Gibson, all them D'Angelo guitars.
He knows all the names of those guys.
I know
Gee.
all of it.
Gee, everybody
Me. Let's get in my career tonight. 1, 2, 1. Well, everybody's going out, having fun. Just the fool folks staying home, having none. Can't get over how we setting free. Oh, lonesome me. We can stay kind of low, hanging around. I know that I should be up and down, beating the town. Thought of everything, A to Z. Oh, lonesome me. I bet you my lightning, she's out playing for free. Flirting with a boy, all her charm. Well, I still love her so, brother, don't you know? Welcome right back here in my arms. Must be somewhere I can lose lonesome blues. Get up out the past and find somebody new. Thought of everything, A to Z. Oh, lonesome me. Pick that guitar, boy. Oh, I bet she's not like me. She's out playing for free. Flirting with a boy, all her charm. Well, I still love her so, brother,
You know, when I met Gary Swan, it's been almost, over 15 years now, it's gotta be.
Way longer.
Met her in a place called Michael's in North Hollywood. This place was a real dive. Yeah, you know, the stage was like a little box, and Steve Hunter, you know, a very good friend who passed away, was the drummer. I said, watch what he does. He says, Carmine, the box sounds terrible, and the band's in it, so we got to deaden it down. Well, I had just done a big boat, for a 60-foot boat, I made all these big cushions, bow cushions that were funny shaped for out in the bow. They were like 4-inch foam. He took those old cushions down there with a screw gun and these big long drywall screws. I swear to God, that thing was there for like 4 or 5 years. Remember the big cushions? They were shaped like the boat, you know, like the bow of the boat curved and everything. And he screwed them right into the wall, and that was one of the best sounding clubs we ever played when we were done. That big 4-inch foam cushions. Remember those? They were like kind of a rose color, pinkish rose color.
He had
So
imagination.
funny. Screwed them right in the guy's club, right in those walls.
I have been on a lot of stages that could use some boat cushions.
Boy, I'm telling you,
Right?
I'm telling you. But anyway, those were the good old days when we were having fun and having a good time. And that's why I met Gary Swan, was at Michael's.
He didn't
Come
know
in
how
there.
famous I was back
You were
then.
great. I loved you.
didn't know.
Loved you when I just liked the way you looked when you walked in. I thought, this guy's got to be somebody.
He's got to have
He's
$5.
going to be my friend because I like the way he looks.
So this guy's got to have $5. Hey, can I borrow money from my
Anyway.
dad?
Who's up?
I think Mr. Paul Marshall's on.
Paul.
Gee. Well, I was born in the Southland 20 some odd years ago. I ran away for the first time when I was 4 years old. I'm a freeborn man. My home is on my back. Well, I know every inch of highway, every foot of back road, every mile of railroad track. I pick oranges down in Florida. I pick a cotton in Alabama. I pick a walnuts up in Oregon. I pick a guitar when I can. I'm a freeborn man. My home is on my back. Oh, well, I know every inch of highway, every foot of back road, every mile of railroad track. I got a woman in Cincinnati, I got a girl in San Antone. Always loved the girl next door, but any place is home. I'm a freeborn man, and my home is on my back. Oh, well, I know every inch of highway, every foot of back road, every mile of railroad track. just made up stuff as we went along on that one.
You like down there an A?
Oh, yeah.
More of a G man.
I'm kind of an A man.
You're kind of an A man?
Hey!
Well, you taught me how to hurt real bad, cry myself to sleep. Showed me how this town shattered me. Another lesson how to die young. Came to Babylon. Found out that I don't taste so sweet. And this guitar Cadillac, hillbilly music, long lonely street I follow. And this guitar Cadillac, hillbilly music, only thing keeps me hanging on. Ain't no glamour in this Pennsylvania, lost the way it's life. Thank the stars that all left remain. I would thank you, girl, for teaching me brand new ways to groove. Haven't I now? I guess I'll just leave. Guitars, Cadillacs, hillbilly music, long lonely street, San Antonio. And this guitars, Cadillacs, hillbilly music, only thing that's me hanging on. Beat it. And this guitar's Cadillac, hillbilly music, long lonely streets I call home. And this guitar's Cadillac, hillbilly music, only thing keeps me hanging on. Only thing keeps me hanging on. Only thing keeps me hanging on. There you go. Another tune about what's his name.
Yeah. That was your idea. No, it's all right.
Hey folks, thanks for watching. Even if you're watching late, please support us. Be here next week. We will get this little glitch thing figured out, I promise you. And Gary, we got time for a couple more, and I want to thank you so much for coming. It was kind of a late notice. I called you kind of late, and you were good enough and kind
2:30 in the
enough to come
morning.
up and help us out.
About 2:30 in the morning. Yes, it was.
Yeah, well, you know. So come up anytime. Come play with us. If you're not doing anything else, come on out. Love to have you. It's a lot of fun. What do you got?
We're gonna slow it down.
Okay, we're gonna slow it down.
Let's see. By Hank. We'll do a Hank song.
Yeah, we got
It's right
Lefty,
up there in
Hank.
the
Who else
wall.
we got here tonight? Waylon and Buck Owens. That's the guest, the wall guest.
Do you know that Leon Russell recorded with them,
With who?
with Hank Williams?
Oh, I did not know that.
Yeah.
Wow, what a
Yeah,
jeez.
it's just, he recorded with
Boy, that's
so many
incredible.
people.
I wish I'd gotten a chance to do that.
Today I passed you on the street, and my heart fell at your feet. I can't help it if I'm still in love with you. Somebody else stood by your side, and you look so satisfied. I can't help it if I'm still in love with you. A picture from the past came slowly creeping as I brushed your arms, stood so close to. Suddenly, I got that old time feeling. I can't help it. I'm still in love with you. It's hard to know other lips kissed you. It's just the way I used to do. Heaven only knows how much I miss you. I can't help it. I'm still in love with you. No, I can't help it. I can't help it. You can't help it. I can't help it. You still can't help it. I'm still in love with you. No, I can't help it. I can't help it, no. I can't help it. I can't help it. I can't help it. Lord, I can't help it. I can't help it. with you.
Well, I guess we're gonna call it a night. We're gonna go out jamming, turn them off whenever you want. Do something kind of up and fun, and we're gonna play, and they'll just cut it down whenever they're ready. Thanks for watching the show. Sorry we had to record it, put it up a little late, but and I want to thank. I forgot your names already, but thank you for coming up. And I hope I see you again. They what? Yeah, I know her. Marilyn, Michael, and Tina. Nina. I always call her Tina. I've been calling you Tina for 40 years.
Been calling you
Nina.
Joe for I don't know.
Okay, so let's do something and then we can shut it down whenever.
We're gone, oh, Lord, say gone. I'll be gone, oh, Lord, say gone. I ain't begging, oh, Lord, say gone. We got to move on. We got to go down. I ain't begging, oh, I said no. I said, shake, baby, shake. Shake, baby, shake. Shake, baby, shake. Shake, baby, shake. I'm all over. Oh, I said, yeah. That's it. Stand in front of your toast